Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how you can have the ultimate iPad Pro M4 home screen. As you can see, I'm big on widgets, and I believe that widgets make your iPad super productive. You'll have everything in one place, as you can see, with my browser, with my shortcuts to shut down the iPad, even ask ChatGPT right from the home screen, or even just airdrop some photos straight up. So there's a couple of things that you need to do, and with that, let's get started. So first, this would be my basic iPad home setup. I'll go to wallpaper, click customize, and then I'm gonna go with something minimalist like a solid black color to really make use of that display that is on the iPad Pro M4. So I'm gonna go ahead and use solid black. That's the perfect color for it. And then I'm gonna change the font to make it look a bit retro. And then I'm gonna select the color white. Then I'm gonna go on to the widgets on the lock screen and start adding some useful widgets which I think would help make my day more productive. So I'm gonna start with some stocks, then I'm gonna add the weather. I'm actually gonna change that and put the weather with forecast for the next few days. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my Outlook calendar. With that, I'm done with the lock screen. I'm gonna save that, and now I'm gonna go back to my home screen. So I'm gonna long press on the screen to get the widgets tab, and I'm gonna just reorganize my work calendar, the clock, and the batteries. And then I'm gonna also add today's date. It's just much easier to find because by default, the font is really small for the date, so you can't really notice it the whole time, and this gives you a desktop-like setup. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the stocks. You can of course customize this to make it show your favorite stocks or symbols. That's very easy to do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my personal mailbox, which is through the Apple Mail app, as a large widget just right in between the stocks and my work email. Then I'm gonna add a widget for OneDrive. I usually have a lot of photos uploaded to OneDrive, so I pick a couple of featured ones. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some notes in order for me to access them whenever I need them. And then my favorite part of all is shortcuts. As you can see, these are the default shortcuts that come with the Shortcuts app. I'm gonna show you how to customize them in a future video, but for now, I'll just leave you with that. And as you can see, with one click, I can literally access multiple useful apps within my iPad with no hassle at all. Thank you again for watching, and stay tuned for future how-to videos.